the households that have been connected, what percentage actually pay?
That's a good question. We have over 1 million meters which we do not know where they are. So those ones don't pay.
Over 1 million?
Over 1 million of the 10 million. We have over 1 million where we don't know. So there are various reasons. Sometimes Kenyans move and they assume the meter is theirs and they move with it. Sometimes you move out of the house and the house has been vacant for a while and guys come in and steal the meters. So there are various reasons why meters disappear.
What do you do with the meter that you've stolen?
That is when you know a guy, you call a Kenya Power guy and he comes and he connects you to power. Then one day somebody comes and tells you your line is illegal. You're living in Kiambu and your meter is registered for Migori. That's when those things happen.
Wait a minute. So I can actually take my meter from Migori, like you said, and use it in Kiambu.
And when you do that, then one day somebody will come and tell you, at which meter? Because like when we're doing the updating, some meters are not updating. So see, we send our text to go check it out. Then they're like, you know what, this meter shouldn't be here. Because when we install meters, they're registered to a specific area. Location, yes. So when it moves from that location, it disappears. So we don't know where it is. The day it does turn up, you're deemed to have been a thief that stole the meter from Migori and came to install it in Kiambu.
Yeah.
And that's when you run into problems. Like, you remember the time we had an issue with some MP, and we're like, you know what, yeah, where are you getting these meters from? And we admit some of our guys help them. Some of the contractors that we hire to help us with work, they keep corners. Wanaeka meter kwa boot, alafu wanakwambia hii kitu nipatie tu 20,000 akushikanishia. And it goes ahead, shikanishes for you. When you're vending, it will vend because it's behaving like a conduit. But the day there's an inspection, then you're like,